Hi friends, today I am discussing about how to read the structural drawing. Actually, we will take the structural drawing. First, we have to check notes. What is given here? First, any drawing you have to read main important notes and specific notes. What is mentioned in this drawing? That is the main point. After that, you have to read the structural drawing. Okay, I will explain. First point, please check guys. This drawing is the property of Moha Consulting Servicing Private Limited. Yes, this drawing is given Moha Consulting Consultant Services. Second point, all dimensions are in meter and mm only unless otherwise mentioned. Yes guys, all drawing is meter and mm only. Third point, do not scale the drawing, follow figure dimensions only. Only dimensions you have to follow the drawing, guys. That is the mentioned here. The fourth point, read this drawing along with architectural dimensions only. Of any discrepancy being noted, it shall be immediately brought to the notice of the consultant before commencing the work. Fifth point, this drawing shall be supersede its previous drawing. Sixth point, all dimensions are to unfinished surfaces unless otherwise mentioned. Okay. Specific notes we have to read. First point, say bearing capacity of soil is taken 60 tons per square meter as per soil report. As per soil report, in this site, 60 tons per square meter it will taken load. Okay, as per report. Second point, if during excavation for laying the foundation soft pocket cavity is observed, it should be cleaned and filled up with MFA grade. Any loose pocket will be observed. You have to inside before pieces laying. You have to maintain. You have to fill the M5 grade is here mentioned. That is the important point. And third point, provide lap length of of smaller bar wherever lapping is needed. That is the important lapping where. And fourth point, read this drawing along with architectural drawing. In case of any disturbance being noted, it shall be immediately brought to the notice of the consultant before commencing work. When we have to read the drawing, if any disturbance architectural drawing, and in case any discrepancy, you have to note it and escalate the matter in consultant. Okay. Fifth point, the clear cover shown in the table below from outer face to structural element to the outermost reinforcement in the member. How much cover you have to maintain. Check below table. Item grade of the concrete, grade of the steel and cover. For retaining wall foundation, retaining wall foundation foundation raft के लिए we have to maintain the M30 grade concrete, and the grade of steel is FE 550, and clear cover is raft purpose 50 mm. Retaining wall M30 grade concrete FE 500. साइल फेस हम लोग साइल प्लेस में 40 mm, वाटर फेस 50 mm, इनर फेस 30 mm. This is the main important. And actually important notes, external prepared pipes to be laid between excavated surface and retaining wall, connected to a relief well with adequate pumping system. This is to intercept any seepage water. Water ingredients provided to path of development. That is the important notes. It is important for site.
After that, we will see in the layout of retaining wall. Please see guys, R11 is the retaining wall here, a retaining wall raft and retaining wall showing like that. Please see here some columns and footings also given. PC16, PF15, that is the PC16 is the column number and PF15 is the column code. There are column codes are mentioned here. That is the important. We have to see here RW1 wall is showing here. At the same time, grids, all things are showing here. That is the plan drawing. And R22, that is the layout drawing. Retaining wall layout drawing. After that, we will see sectional layout. Typical retaining wall section layout. We have seen retaining wall layout. Now we are seeing retaining wall section layout R11 section layout, like here mentioned, raft continuously 500 thickness, and steel is M10 pieces, M10 grade concrete is given in bottom level 100 mm, and after that 500 thickness is raft is given. We will check the steel also here. 12 mm bottom 12 mm, 175 mm center spacing both ways. At the same time top also 12 mm, 175 mm both ways. Yes, steel also given, and vertical 300 also showing here. 300 mm L is mentioned here. That is we have to maintain. At the same time 175, 112 mm, 175 L is showing like that. At the same time verticals also here mentioned. 20 mm extra walls are also given, and finally here vertical walls is 12 mm, 200 mm center spacing they are providing. And here please see guys, 10 mm distribution bars also given, 200 mm center spacing top area, L 300 mm, and hooks is provided 1.5 meter at the top of the raft to top of the footing to 1.5 meter distance. Hooks 8 mm, 200 mm center spacing links. I will show the details also. Verticals 20 mm given, showing here. 12 mm, 200 mm vertical center spacing. At the same time binders also given, 200 mm center spacing, 10 mm horizontally we have to maintain here, showing like that. Extra balls also given here, please in guys. 10 mm, 200 mm center spacing. Back filling to be done after concreting the slab. That is also need actually. Okay guys, 500 thickness, and that is the main. Here shown typical links how to provide. Actually we have to maintain here like that. Please in guys, 20 mm, that is the 12 mm verticals, and 8 mm brings 200 mm center spacing long height wall. Okay guys, at the same time like that, corner detail plan, T-joint details plans, typical section for retaining wall font, all things are mentioned here guys. Okay, we have to read it. That is the main important when we are starting the execution of the work, execution of the raft, and at the same time walls. We have to maintain properly drawing reading. That is the main important. We have to maintain here providing step, like retaining wall is not a one level maintenance because of excavation. Some places is height position, some hard tone will be there, we will do the height level. That's why we have to maintain here steps. As per steps we have to maintain the steel also. Here showing like corner details plan, corner detail plan also same mentioned, like we have to maintain the LDs. Please see guys how is given. We have to maintain the site also. Okay, T joint area, like T junctions, like R22 wall area, T junctions will come, that area also you have to maintain. After that I will show the I have explained PF 15 PF 16 guys. As per plan showing like that, 600 mm thickness. Okay, we have to maintain 600 mm thickness, 12 mm, 150 mm center
Before
space.
start the works, read the drawings. Thank you guys. Thank you.